So today's video is super exciting. I'm going to do a desk makeover setup. I am currently using my laptop, but I have an iMac that I'm going to switch over to for my personal projects and stuff like that. So I'm so excited to share that. I was going to film this for the vlog that I probably mentioned in another video where I was going to do a home office kind of a makeover setup, but I don't know when that will be ready, so I might as well film this portion separately so that I can have a more dedicated video on my desk, and I'm so excited for that. And if you notice, I'm using my Sony ZV-1 like I always do. I did find this lens on Amazon that makes a lot wider, so if you compare this to my other vlogs, you can notice that there's more like wide angle look, so I'm actually loving it. I can't wait till my office is fully set up so that way it'll look really nice. Right now it's still kind of messy and I'm still working on it, but I'm excited for that. I'll link this down below if you're interested, and if you have a ZV-1, that's just something I wanted to share. Other than that, let's get in! So this is the current setup. I shared a little bit, I believe, in my last vlog. So we're going to change it up. I'm not going to use my laptop anymore. I'm going to be using an iMac, and then I'm going to bring back my Grovemade stuff. If you remember, I shared a Grovemade desk makeover, I believe sometime last year. I will link it in the cards up above and down below. And then I ended up giving it to my hubby, so he was using it for a while, but now I'm going to claim it back, and I think it will add and level up my Mac. So let's get in.
Lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray, third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display, third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I could stay inside and type away inside, or make today just a little less mundane.
Okay, so this is how it looks. I have an iMac there. I have the Grovemade shelf thingy here, and then I put back everything that I had. Some things I might have to remove or take out or reorganize, but this is where I'm at right now. Super cute. I will also be adding shelves on the top, some artwork. I do have it too that I purchased recently, but probably put this one up here. Super cute. This is from Stationery. She's also in Seattle, so link her down below. Probably put it like somewhere over here. That'd be cute. But yeah, so that's kind of like what I had in mind, and I'm so excited. This is super cute. Hope you enjoyed. So I hope you enjoyed that kind of a mini desk makeover. It was more of me just doing it in the background, but I did get my Grovemade station back. So if you saw my last desk video, I shared that. I also wanted to share some other items that I've been loving that are in my collection, because I basically just show you and you don't really know where they're from. So this one is the Logitech Pop Keys keyboard. I fell in love with it. It's definitely a lot brighter than my normal setup, so I might switch it out in and out because I have other keyboards, but this is what I've been currently loving. It also comes with a cute little matching mouse, so I've been using that lately and I've been loving it. I also have here, I have Incal Studios kind of like set here. There's like a little pen holder, and then there's like a tray, so I've been using it to fit some sticky notes on the top, and then I put the tray on top, but you can also put them separately. I might change that up later on, so we'll see about that. And then I've also have my little kind of like stationery tray here. This is from Yamazaki. They actually sent this to me, so it's really sturdy. It's like good material. I have some notepads in the back. I just have 2 notepads. I have a clipboard from Poi Hun, which is my shop, just in case I need it. Some sticky notes in the front, and also keep some pens over there to make sure that I have everything I need together. So yeah, I also keep my iPad there. And I want to show you more things, but it's kind of sitting on the camera. Just wait. So I have my desk mat here. This is from Macy Lay and Grovemade. It's this really pretty kind of like powdery pink color. And then I was mentioning I can put stuff in this little desk organizer. And then I was trying to mention that I put my iPad in here, so it's easy to grab. And if I need it, I can put it up here to use as a second monitor. That's kind of my goal. I was trying to figure out so I don't have to take my laptop home every time I come home from work, so sometimes I can just leave it there. But if I have Poi Hun stuff, I'll probably bring it home and then kind of mainly stick to the iMac strictly for Life with Holly Lifestyle. So hopefully that will kind of help me figure out and make sure that when I'm at home I do Life with Holly Lifestyle stuff and not also Poi Hun, and just save that for work basically. So that's it for today's video. I know I am all over the place with this video because I was trying to figure out how to film this video and also film TikTok, so that's why you see a camera behind me, because I'm trying to film a TikTok for it. Also, I don't know how content creators do it. Do they do it twice? Do they basically try to do it all at once? I don't know, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of gives you a little cute little look into my home office. I'm actually very excited because I finally got the items that I need. The shelf will finally not be here anymore, and basically I think my home office will be set up probably by the end of this month or beginning of next month. So I'm excited to share that video with you. It'll be a vlog of me going through everything and stuff like that, and then maybe I'll do a tour when it's like fully complete. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.